This is Motorola Moto G72, and today we would like to demonstrate how you can share the Wi-Fi network password on this device. So first of all, you gotta somehow get to the Wi-Fi settings page. The easiest and quickest way to do that is by swiping downwards from the top part of your screen, therefore from the status bar you have, in order for the notification and control center to be launched. Next, over here, look for this Wi-Fi or internet shortcut. Long press on it. In here, choose what particular network you would like to share the password of. I'll go with the one that I'm currently connected to, and tap on it. And at the following network details page, you'll be able to find this little share icon, which once you tap on it, will provide you with and reveal the Wi-Fi network password right over here, which is in my case HardReset, as well as get you the QR code that you can use in order for any other device to be automatically connected to the chosen Wi-Fi network. Just scan this QR code. Alrighty, so that would be it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and bye-bye.